So we have a new feature in Systeme. Isn't it so exciting? Okay, if you haven't checked it out yet, let's jump right in. So if you look here under websites, you'll see that they've kind of rearranged a few little things. And we have blogs, sales funnels. Okay, that's right where it used to say funnels, and then digital stores. So we'll click on digital stores, and this is where it brings us. So I'm going to click on this one just to give you a quick overview of what it looks like. And then we're going to create one. I'm going to walk you through all the steps. So let's take a view. Isn't this cool? Okay, digital store. This makes it super easy if you're selling digital goods like ebooks and guides and things like that where people get downloads. You can put them all in one spot. You can also use this for other things, almost like a digital business card where people can subscribe to your emails. You can put the subscribe to my newsletter thing here. You can put all kinds of stuff in here, guys, and options are so incredibly fun. So anyway, so I just kind of played around with this the other day. And that's just to give you an idea of one of the templates. So right here, we're going to go back to stores and let's jump in. I'm going to click create. And we're going to title this Spring's Courses. Make sure you choose your correct domain name. And right here is the URL path. If you want it different, then make it different. Otherwise, we can just click save. Now, here is the overall layout. Right now, we're going to go right over here to the top right and click Edit Design. And you see they have some different templates. And you can click through and see how they add. But also note down here in the bottom left, you have these three little color buttons where you can actually adjust the color. Woo, isn't that fun? Of a lot of these things. All right, so this here right now is my favorite. It just looks really fun, but you can use any of these. Okay. Let's just play around with that one. But instead of this crazy yellow color, I'm going to kind of make it a little bit of a green, like this dark green. And we can, okay. So that works for me. All of these here, all of these things you can play around with, but I'm just gonna leave that at that. And I'm gonna click save. Now, click on settings and you have a lot of what you had before, but make sure we click credit cards. Click your payment option, make sure it's turned on. Now let's design the header. We're going to edit it. So there's your name, or if you want to call it a store, you can call it a store. To upload a picture, click this little pencil. I would highly recommend getting your, so if you have any square, so use like the Instagram post square, but make everything very simple and big because the thumbnails in here are going to show up teeny tiny. So if you want to use thumbnails, just make sure there's words are just less words and big, or one picture. Make it a simple picture and then have your photo ready. So there's my photo. I can click to upload, store display name. This is okay, and then we can also put our social links in here. So Instagram and TikTok are your @ names, and you can put in Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Those are the URL names. So if you were just to click on here, we go to Facebook and then click on your profile and click in the search bar, copy, go back to Facebook, paste, and click save. And you see the two little buttons that are up here. All right, now there's your header. Now we can have sections or you can just list all the products. So that we can try out all of the things, I'm going to put one section that says courses, and then I'm going to put one section that says ebooks. And then I'm going to put one section that says connect with me. All right, so then we're going to add in now. Can you edit those? Yes, we can edit. You can change the name of them, or you can delete them. So let's now click add product. Now you see the three options we have right now. we can add an external link. So this is helpful if you already have a funnel link set up for a course or the contact me, then you can use this little template thing. We can collect emails and we can sell a digital download. So the first thing I'm going to do is collect emails. Now you can see right over here on the left, really, it's really kind of cool when you're going through this, is you can see the stuff as you create. It shows up right here on the left. I like this is fine. Or you can upload a thumbnail that has, let's see here. I have this right here. And that shows. So it's like a little email on a computer. So you can change that if you want. And if you don't like it, then you just click that and you see this. So subscribe to our newsletter. You can change the title. You can change the words on the button and you can give it a subtitle, which is this information here. And then the information that you want to collect, email, first name, and I'm going to add a field of the last name and make it required. Okay. And then next. So this is the information I want to collect. Then we click next. And then automatically this little thank you box here says thank you, check your email inbox. You can put a little message there if you want, or just leave it and click publish. And this is what it looks like. When someone fills in their information, then they'll get that last little page as their thank you. So that is the collect emails, and I'm going to leave it right there under connect with me. And we can move these around. I'll show you when we're done. Now let's add another new product. We're going to do the external link. This is, we're going to put a course in here, and I already have my little mini course right there. Click to upload. And you see how tiny it is? I could probably make that a little better, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So the title is how to create a button says click me, subtitle says to help relieve stress, just like that. Then I'm going to open up another tab and I'm going to go to my funnels and collect the course link and paste it right there and then publish. All right, now I can drag this. See how it looks right there? I'm going to drag where these little dots are and I'm going to move it right up here under courses. Lots of fun stuff. Okay, now let's add another new product and we're going to use the Sell a Digital Download products. You see right up here across the top, those are your pages in the process. So right here, select an image. You can leave it like it is, or we can grab one that has, let's see here. I'll just use that one. And I'm just going to go down to here and click that. Okay, so this is my email guide for clearing out your inbox. Click buy, get instant access to clearing out inbox letter. After purchase and start transforming your inbox today. You can delete that whole subtitle and use your own if you want. And then I'm going to click next. This is the checkout page. So this also, you can use, I'm going to use the same image just to show you that this particular image is more elongated than the first thumbnail. So the first thumbnail is square because this is on a different page. And then this is a little bit longer. So add your text. Get your hands on my email guide now. Buy now. Get instant access to To the email guided for purchase, start transforming your inbox. Guys, I'm doing this very simply. This guide, and I'm going to put ebook guide, is designed to help you master time management, inbox techniques, increase productivity with actionable tips, unlock tools to streamline your workflow. I'm just going to leave all that there. I can go back and put more verbiage in that pertains to the actual email thing. But right now I'm just going to leave it so that you guys can see you can edit that. Then we go down to collect info, and I'm going to add in last name and put it as required. And then we have right here price plans. So when you click on the plus, you can add a price plan that you already have, or you can create a new one. So I'm just going to go in here and put in a price plan and click save. And then make sure your payment methods are on, just like that. Check it again, and then click next. And we're going to go to the digital download. So this is, put your product name here. Chaos guide. And then we're going to upload. So you can have all your digital products organized and ready to go. So there it is right there. The bigger your file, a little bit longer time it'll take to upload. But here we go. And there it is. Little green check mark shows that it is fully uploaded. Then we're going to edit the confirmation email. This is the email that goes out to them as soon as they purchase it. And you got the email guide. Whoops. My brain goes faster than my fingers. So this is just a basic message. I'm going to add in the substitute value for the first name of the beautiful person that purchases this. Thank you for your purchase, and you'll have access. Instant access. When you are putting your stuff in here, make sure you get rid of the little bracket thingies. Actually, no, you don't have to. Click below to get started, and this will be there. And then you can add more stuff in here if you want, or just put thank you and your name. Okay, so you're going to see you can put more words in here if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I can even upload a picture if I wanted to. There's a screenshot of that. Drag this and make it kind of smaller. Can move it over to the side. You can put your picture in here. Okay, and then click save. And then next. And then next you see over here the thank you page. Thank you for your order. You see over here what it looks like. Da-da-da, publish. Like that, da-da-da. All right, so this is a digital download. So I'm going to move this up under ebooks. So here we see we have a course with an external link. It's connected to a funnel. We have an ebook. It's all right there. You saw how easy that was to upload all of that digital stuff, and the connect with me. Now let's take a look at this. So we're going to click view, and this is what it will look like for those that you share it with. And guys, you can also just go right up here and click that copy and connect it to any pages that you have, any funnels that you have. You can put it in your Facebook profile, your Instagram profile, give it out all the time, put it in the bottom of your emails, or in the footer of your websites, in the header of your websites. It can go anywhere. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you see all that fun stuff that you just edited? Cool. Now, what happens if you want to change the design? Pretty easy. Watch, we're going to go back here. We're going to edit design. I'm like, nah, I really kind of like this one here. So I'm just going to click on that. And I don't like these blue buttons at all. So I'm going to move this down to this nice little green. Make sure you see, watch it here. And then I'm going to click save. And I can change the layout just like that. Now let's view it again. Look at there. So you can change the layout. So change the design of it so easily. How fun is that, right? All right, so follow me for more tutorials and simple processes. That's how I like to make your life a little easier. Be blessed.